Hello everyone, my name is Musa. I'm 10 years old and my birthday is July. I mean the last 5 years I had a one child too. My favorite subject is English. I live in London, Egypt with my family. Their first season is spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Spring is warm and humid. I wear sweater and jeans. Summer is hot and sunny. I wear t-shirt and shorts. Autumn is cool and cloudy. I wear blower and shower. Spring Winter is cold and dry. I wear a jumper, shower, and sweat. Goodbye.